Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles, and this is today's challenging level puzzle, and it's called X Sums Chaos Construction by Lizzie1. And here are the rules. We have normal chaos construction rules, where we basically need to construct every cell in the grid must belong to a region that is orthogonally connected. And every cell in the grid must contain a single digit from 1 through 9, such that there are no repeats in any row, column, or region, which is an orthogonally connected region. Now, what is an orthogonally connected region? It means that you can go from any cell in the region to any other cell in the region just by going through edges, all while staying within the region. So this is an example of an orthogonally connected region, because to go from this cell to any other cell in the region, you can just go through edges, all while staying within the region. So for example, to get from here to here, you just go through these edges, and you will stay within the region by just going through edges to get to this cell. What is not a valid orthogonally connected region is something like this, because these two cells, even though they can connect to each other by going through edges while staying within the region, to get to the other cells in the region, they have to go through either a corner or exit the region through an edge, which is neither of which is allowed. So that is an example of how chaos construction works. And we have in this puzzle the digits outside the grid, or the numbers outside the grid, are x sums, where x is the first digit seen in the direction of in the grid next to the number. So for example, we could have, say, a 6 here. Oh, not orange. We could have, say, a 6 here, and then the first 6 digits here would have to add up to 25. And that's what x sums work. And in addition, these x sums also basically have all the digits in the x sum must be in the same region. And the next digit after the last digit of this x sum must be in a different region. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay, to add up to 1, you can only have one digit. Oh, and these are region borders already. I didn't see that. Right. This has to be a 1, because that's the only digit that can add up to 1 for as an x sum. And since we know the next digit has to be a different region, there has to be a border here. So this has to be one region, and this is a separate region. We have also one here. So we have something similar there. So this is a region border, and this is a 1. To add up to 12, it's either going to be 3 or 4 digits, because you can't have 2 digits with a 2 adding up to 12. So this is 3 or 4, adding up to 12. To add up to 20, to add up to 9, it's 2 or 3. To add up to 12, it's again 3 or 4 here. So we know these are the same region. These are the same region. So I'm going to make this red, and I'm going to make this yellow. We are guaranteed this is 3 reds this way. Let's see. To add up to 25 has to be at least 4. And it could be 4, 5, or 6 adding up to 25. 7 unique digits adds up to at minimum 28. So this is 4, 5, 6. We have 4, 5, 6 here. Same with 26. 26 is 4, 5, or 6. This is 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So these are different regions. Well, actually, it could be the same. No, it can't be the same region. If this is the same region, this is 8 cells in that region. We can only have one more here. And then this would have to be 11 cells trying to be divided into 1 or 2 regions. But those regions aren't 9 in size. So that doesn't work. So this has to be a separate region here, which is a different region than this, because this is at least 4 this way, and then you can't connect them. So we're going to make this pink, we're going to make this green. It doesn't have to be part of green, but I'm suspecting that it will be. That means red can only go so far here. This cannot be part of red, because if it's part of red, then this is going to have to be a region, and that would be an 11 cell region. This can't be part of yellow. Or I guess it can't be part of yellow because that's only 3 cells. So this has to be part of pink here. So this is either 3 pink, so this could be pink, red, or yellow. One of these could be pink, and the rest have to be red. Okay. So we have guaranteed 4 here, guaranteed 2 at most here. This cannot be 6. If this is 6, the problem is this has to be 3 in size. Then these would add up to at 37, but that's obviously not possible. So this cannot be 6 here. If this is 4, this would have to be 5 then. But that would also add up to 37 for all 9 digits, which is obviously not possible. So this must be 3 here. So this must go 3 there. This is only 1, so these are different regions. This is... Okay, so can this ever be 5? If this were 5, you'd have also another region here, which is 4 at most. That doesn't work because this forms an 8-cell region that way. So this cannot be 5 or 6 because then this is going to block that out. So this must be 4, which makes this a 5, so that's pink. These add up to 25 plus 12 is 37. 45 minus 37 is 8. So this is a separate region then. This is either 2 or 3 cells here. This is going to be 4. So this is a separate region here. This is a separate region. This is a separate region. This adds up to 12 without an 8. So it cannot be 1, 8. It's 2, 7, or 4, 5, but it can't be 4, 5 because of the 5 in the row. So therefore, this must be 5, 1, 4, 6, and 9. And this is 25. That means this, if this were 3, how would it add up to 9? Would it be able to add up to 9? The answer is no. 3 would be 1, 5 or 2, 4, but 1 and 4 are already in the pink region here. And this has to be pink because if it tries to be something else, it can't exit out of the region. So it'd have to be part of red, but then the red would be too big as a region. That's the reason why. So this must then be 2. And this is 2 and 7. This cannot be pink then. So this is a separate region. So we know, we don't know this one. So these are boundaries. This is red or yellow. We have 2 and 7 here. This is 4 cells, at least. It cannot be 6 cells, because if it's 6 cells, all of these are part of the same region. This is 4, so this has to be 4 cells here. To add up to 25, that means these 3 digits are 21, which cannot be 4, 8, 9 anymore, so it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And The combinations are 6, 7, 8, or 5, 7, 9. So this can't be 4. This is guaranteed to have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7. Okay. These 4 digits are the same. It cannot be part of this, so this must be 4 also. Which means this is also 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. And 7 cannot be here. We are definitely have a 7 in one of these two cells. We have a 7 in one. This can't be 7 because of 7 in the column. So 7 has to be here because it's 5, 9, 7, or 6, 7, 8. This is 3 or 4. This cannot be 4 because of 4 in the row. So this is 3. Therefore, this is not red. It has to be yellow. Therefore, all of these are red because that's the only region that can be part of. This is not pink. Pink has to go to either here or here. We're not sure which. 3 digits add up to 12, so it's either 1, 8, with no 8 there, no 1 there, or it's 2, 7. And it cannot be 2, 7, or it's 4, 5. Can't be 2, 7 because of 7 in the column. So then it's 1, 8, or it's 4, 5. We need 2 there for the red region. 4 can't be here. 4 can't be here, so 4 is one of these 4. 7 can't be here, 7 can't be here, so 7 is one of these 3. These are all the same region. It could be light, it could be medium. We don't know. We don't know if this is the same region. This does have to be the same region, though. We have yellow here. So 7 has to be one of these 3. These are all the same region. It cannot be 6 again. So it's 4 or 5 here. We'll make this blue. This can't be 5 cells or longer, because if it's 5 cells, then we have 12 cells here, only one of which can be medium gray, which means this cannot form a 9-cell region, as it can't just be 9-cell regions here. So this has to be 4 here. And this is likely orange, but we don't know. So that's 4. This is again 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Oh, it can't be part of that region. So this is a separate region then. Okay. What color do I make this then? Dark? Because we have to have a 7 here. This can't be 7 then. For 4-cell region. Again, it's 5, 7, 9, or 6, 7, 8 for the remaining 3 digits. Therefore, this is 7. 4 eliminates 4 here. That's 5, which makes this all blue. This can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no 5 here. No 5 here, which means this can't be 4. 5 can't be here or here. This is separate region. You can have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Therefore, this is guaranteed to be blue. This has to be some combination of blue and yellow, but this can't be blue, because if that were blue, then these cells would have to be all part of blue, and then this region would be all blue. So this is yellow, and this is blue or yellow here. So this is boundary we know here and here. Okay, these are different regions because we have to have a 7 here. We have to have a 7 here. This is 2 or 3. These are part of the same region. Therefore, this must go this way, because it cannot be part of this region because this is a separate region guaranteed. So it's likely medium. This has to go down. This is dark or medium. We're not sure. We're guaranteed this has to go that way. Um, this is 8, so this cannot be 8 here. This adds up to 25 here. So this must be 20. We have 7 here, 7 here, 7 here. Technically, this is only 1. So this actually could be part of that region. That is possible. So we don't know if these are different. We do know these are different. We don't know if these are different. These have to be different, though. So we have 1, 2, 3 there. How many cells are here, then? This could be pink. We could have yellow going this way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is 6, 12, 18. Plus 7 is 25. Plus 3 is 28. So only one of these cells can be non-orange, yellow, or blue. So orange can be any of these, technically. Unlikely to be here. I guess it could be, though. Could be orange, orange, orange that way. But then the problem is these two cells don't have a region, right? If we... Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6... 7, 8, 9. So this could be yellow. This could be pink and pink that way. Technically, pink could go there. So we have 2 potential pinks that could go here. This could be dark going... We have 1 at most. Oh, we have 1 at most extra, right? So this is, again, 18 plus 7 is 25 plus 3 is 28. So it can't be 2. So this could go that way. That means yellow could go 3 this way. Blue could go all around here, technically. So those are the possibilities there. You can't have 3 digits adding up to 7. Because it would be 3 if it included 3, because that would be 3, 1, 3. Therefore, this must be 2. So this is 2, this is 5. Therefore, this is a different region here. This can't be 2, it's 7, which means this can't be 7, it's 2. There's no 7 here. Right. We don't actually know that this is dark. Well, we don't know this is dark, I should say. 7 can't be here because of 7 in the row, so 7 is one of those 2. We are guaranteed a 7 here. We are guaranteed a 7 in the blue. We don't know where that is. This has to be blue. These all have to be blue. Remaining digits of column 1, we have 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Obviously, 7 can't be either of these because the red needs a 7. These can't be 3. Five eliminates 5 from being here. These add up to 20. If this were 8, the problem is these would be at minimum 6 and 7 here, which adds up to 21. So this cannot be 8. It must be 4 and 5. This is at minimum 6 and 7 here. What is that? 4, 6, and 7 mean this is 3 at most, so this is 1 or 2. So the remaining 3 digits here have to add... Oh, this is 26. Oops. This is not 7 then, guaranteed. Oops. What is this then? 22. It's either 5, 8, 9 or 6, 7, 9. So it's still 5 or 6. This can't be 5. So we don't know if 7's here. So this cannot have a 9, but it could be 7. So 7's one of these two. This is one of these is guaranteed to be 9. It's either 5, 8, 9 or 6, 7, 9. This still works because this is 6, 7, 8, 9. These can't be the same region, so it's either 5 or 4. This has to be 4 though, because this is 4. And then this would form a region that's not valid. So 5, 8, 9 means this can't be 8 there. This can't be 7 because of 7 in the row. So if it's 5, 6, 8, 9, that's 5, that's 8, that's 9. Otherwise, it's 6, 7, 9, and any of those could be... So this can't be 9 here. Okay. Adding up to 20 here. 3, 4, and 5. Eliminate 3, 4, and 5 in the rest of the column. 1 and 4 could be with 6, 9, or 7, 8. 4 and 2 would have to be with specifically 6, 8. Right? 2, 4 is 6, 20 minus 6. Oh, it's 14. And it can't be 5 here because of 5 in the row. So there's that. 4 needs access to an orange. Orange needs access to a 4. And it has to be one of these digits because 4 in red is count. Well, no, blue needs access to a 4. So that means blue must go up. Because this is no longer valid as a 4, and this is no longer valid as a 4. So this cannot be blue, it's yellow, which eliminates yellow, as we are guaranteed this has to be yellow here. Because blue has to go at least up 1 to get the 4 available. This can't be 4 because of 4 in the column. So where's the 4 in the pink region? It has to be there. That means we have 4 here, 4 here. This cannot be the same region as this because that would block this off. So then this does have to be the light region. So I was theorizing that, and I think that has to be the case then, right? Because if it's not, this is going to be only 7 in size because it can't be part of this region, because then this region would not have a full region to be part of. So if this is light, these have to be light then also. So we could go, we have one more we can go to. This is not light. This is going to be part of, well, likely this region. This blocks things off though. Hold up, does that work? This is 12 in size. We have 12, 14, 19. So yeah, that does work. So then this has to be green. So that means this light has to go here. Or one of these 3, essentially. Because this is, what are these digits here? Or what's the number here? This is 25 plus 2, which is 27, which exactly equals 3 regions. So pink cannot go here. Pink has to be part of this. So this is pink. You could go light once, or light here, or light here. And these could be green. So this could be green, this is green, and this is green. But we know this is a boundary here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This has to be a region here then, because this is a separate region. It can't be part of this region, because then this wouldn't be able to be a valid region. So this is the only possibility for the 9. So this is dark. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So not blue, yellow, or orange. It has to be dark going down there. Orange cannot go here. Well, technically it could. So blue could go there too. Okay, so then this is valid as a region. This is valid as a region here. This has an 8. So this cannot be 6, 7, 8. It's 5, 7, 9. So this is 5, 7, 9. No 5 or 7 here. That's 9, which means this can't be 9 here. This can't be 5 or 9. It's 6, 8, and 9. 6, 8, 7. This can't be 6, 7, 8 because that would eliminate all possibilities for that cell. So this is 5, 7, 9. This is definitely part of this region because it can't be part of the light region. So this cannot have a 9 here. Remaining digits in the dark region are 2, 3, and 6. 2 can't be here, 2 can't be here. So where's the 2? It must be here. That makes this a 3, 6 pair. Remaining digits of column 9 are 6, 7, 9. No 7 here because of 7 in the row. This is remaining digits of the light region are 2, 3. It can't be 2. So this is 3, 5, and 9 as a triplet, which eliminates 3, 5, 9 in the rest of the row. This can't be 9 here. It's 6 or 7. Remaining digits in row 9 are 6, 7, 8. Sorry, row 1 are 6, 7, 8. That leaves the remaining digit in the gray region. This can't be 8 here. So where's the 8 in row 1? It has to be there. Which leaves the remaining digit in the gray region as 1, 3, 4, 9. No 1 here, no 4 here. No 9 here. This is a 1, 3 pair, which eliminates 1, 3 in the rest of the box. This is, or the region. This is 4, 9. 1, 3 eliminates 3 here. So that's 6, which makes this 3, which makes that 1, which makes that 3. 6 eliminates 6 here, so it's 8 and 6. There's no 6 or 9 here. It's 3 or 8. No 6 here because of 6 in the column. Remaining digits of row 4 are 1, 2, 3, and 8. No 3 here because of 3 in the column. 3, 7. Remaining digits of row 8 could be 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. No 6, 7, or 8 here because of 6, 7, 8 in the column. Remaining digits of column 5 are 1, 2, 3, 5, and 9. No 2 here, no 5 here. No 3 here because of 3 in the row, 2 in the row. No 3 here because of 3 in the row. That means we are guaranteed a 3 in one of these two cells. No 1 or 3 here because of, and no 8. No 3 or 8 here. No 2, 6, 7, 9 here. Okay, remaining digits of column 8 are 1, 3, 4, 8. Not 5, 1, 3, 4, 8. No 3 here because of 3 in the row. No 8 here. No 3 or 4 here because of 3 or 4 in the row. 2 eliminates 2 here. Okay. We cannot have a 9 in the yellow region, so this can't be 9 here. This can't be 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, so it's 1, 6, or 8, but can't be 9 again. Hmm. We need a 2 for the light region, so it could be here. It could be any of these. Remaining digits in row 2 are 2, 3, 6, and 8. No 3 here because of 3 in the column. Hmm. No 9 here again, so it's 3 or 5. So we have 5 or 7 here. This is going to be 5, 8, 9, or 6, 7, 9, which eliminates 5 and 7 in the rest of the row. So this can't be 5, it's 3. That means this can't be 3 or 5, it's 9. This can't be 3 or 9, it's 5, which means this can't be 5. That's 9, which makes this 7, which makes that 5. This cannot be 5 and 8. It's 6, 7, 9 as a triplet, which eliminates 6, 7, 9 in the rest of the box and column. This can't be 6, it's 1. No 6 here, no 3 here, no 1 here, no 3 here. This is 2 or 8. This can't be 4, 6, 7, or 9. Can't be 1, 3, 8, so this is 2 or 5 here. We are guaranteed 2 here, so this can't be 2 here, no 2 here. So one of these is guaranteed to be 2 and is light. So this can't be light here, it has to be green. So that's boundary there. Remaining digits of column. So 1 here eliminates 1 here, so that's 9, which makes that 6. No 6 here. It's 2, 8 as a pair, which eliminates 2 and 8 in the rest of the row, so this can't be 8, it's 3 and 6. 9 eliminates 9 in the rest of the column. Pink needs access to a 3 and an 8, which could be any of those. Okay. Remaining digits in column 2 are 1, 2, no 3, no 4, 5, it could be 6 or 8. No 8 here because of 8 in the row. Remaining digits of, column 6 are 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. No 5 here because of 5 in the row. So everything, I think all the X sums are, well, okay, except for this one is done. Okay, remaining digits of column 7 are 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. No 7 here because of 7 in the row. No 5 here because of 5 in the row. No 4 here because of 4 in the row. Okay. Green needs access to a 1. So it's going to have to be one of those two there. That means we have 8 green digits accounted for. Hmm. Red needs access to, sorry, yellow needs access to a 3, and it cannot be here. And the only 3 it can access now is here. So then this must be 3, and it must be yellow. Which means this can't be yellow. We only have one more yellow left, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This can't be 3. Oh, wait. Huh. That means this can't be 3 either. Where's the 3 for the blue then? It has to be here. So this is 3. Blue needed access to a 4, which is why it could go up 1 here. This can't be blue anymore. It can't be orange. It's guaranteed to be yellow. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 yellows. So all the yellows are accounted for. So these cannot be yellow. This can't be yellow. It's blue. We have 8 blues, so we know that's only one more blue, and it must be a 4 here. So this cannot be blue. It's orange. Blue cannot reach here. Those are all orange. And we need a 4 here for the blue. Okay. 8 eliminates 8 from the rest of orange. So where is 8 in row 6? It must be here. This is 1, 2, 5 as a triplet, but this cannot be 5 here, which means we have guaranteed a 5 in one of these cells, so this cannot be 5. It's 2, which means this can't be 2 here. There's no 2 here, no 2 here. This is 1, 5 as a pair, which eliminates 1, 5 in the rest of the column. So that's 2. This can't be 2 anymore. It's 1. So this must add up to 15 here. And we don't have an 8 here. So this must be 7 and 8. So we have 8 and 7 here. This can't be 7 here. No 8 here. No 1 or 2 here. Which means where is the 2 in the red region? It must be here. So that's 2. 8 eliminates 8 here, so it's 6. No more 6s in these cells, so it's 7, 9 as a pair. 8 eliminates 8 here, so that's 3, which means this can't be 3. It's 6, which means this can't be 6. It's 3. This can't be 1 or 3. It's 8. We already have a 3 in the green region, so this cannot be green. It's pink. 8 eliminates 8 here, so that's 2 and 8 there, which makes this 2 and 1 here. Pink needs access to an 8 also, so this can't be. This has to be pink there. Therefore, we know where the pinks are. So this can't be pink there. This can't be pink. Light needs access to a 2, cannot reach there, so therefore this must be light. And this can't be light here, that's green. So that's done as a region. We need... This cannot be orange here, because if this is... Well, it could be orange, orange if this is blue. This can never be blue. If this is blue, that forces both of these to be orange, but then the orange is not orthogonally connected. So this is definitely orange there. 7 eliminates 1 and 7 eliminates 1 and 7 in the rest of the row. So we have 6, 9 as a pair in the blue region, which eliminates 6, 9 in the rest of the blue region. This can't be 6, 9, it's 7. The blue region needs an 8. Can only get an 8 here. 7 eliminates 7 here, so that's 9 and 7. This can no longer be 7, it's 1 or 5. It can't be 5 because of 5 in the region, so that's 1, which makes this 5, which makes that 1, which makes that 4, which makes that 1 there. So no 1 here. This cannot be 4 here or 1. We have a 6, 9 pair in row 6, which eliminates 6, 9 in the rest of the row. So that's 5, which makes this 7, which makes that 5. No 7 here. This cannot be blue. This can't be blue because we have a blue in the region already. So therefore the blue has to be here. And it's a 4. So we have all the regions now. 4 eliminates 4 here, so it's 9 and 4. 9 eliminates 9 here, so it's 6 and 9. This can't be 4 or 9, it's 6. This can't be 6, it's 9, which makes this 6, which makes that 9. 6 eliminates 6 here, so it's 7 and 6. And that's how you solve it. Yeah, not too bad for a chaos construction. Challenging seems appropriate level for it, and a nice little puzzle, just overall. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that solve, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.